Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I am Ali and today I created this dramatic blue toned look. Hope you guys enjoy it, and for further such videos do subscribe to my channel below. It's totally free, and now let's get started.
So I've done my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to use this painter's tape because I prefer this more than the normal usual clear tape. Then I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette from the Color Workshop, the Who's one, which I always use, and I'll be showing you the two blue shades which I'm going to go for today's look. Going to take a brush. This one is a bit more stiffer one, so I would recommend using that one. I'm going to dip it in the darker one, and I'm going to place it where usually I would place my liner. I'm going to build it slowly, and then I'm going to create a fake crease line just like this, and I'm going to build it as well. So I'm going to keep blending it in and building it. You can go as much dark as you want, but I'll be leaving it like this for now. Then for the next blue shade, I'll be taking a similar brush. This particular shade of blue has a lot of fallout comparatively to the other shades in this palette. I'm going to place it in the center of my eyelid, and I'm going to try and build it. Now this shade wasn't really staying on my lids, it was having a lot of fallout, and then I had to eventually go ahead with my fingers, which I'll be showing you. So as you can see, there's a lot of fallout right in my inner line. Now I'm just going to show you how crisp the angle came out to be. Went ahead with my fingertips and then just going to blend it and build it as much as you want. Then I'm going to blend with the brush of the darker one, and then again with the lighter one, and just going to build it as much as I want to. Now later I'm going to clear my fallout. I'm going to take a foundation. You can also use a concealer for this. I'm just going to do a little cut crease sort of a thing, but that's not going to be on my entire crease. It's just going to be on my inner corners. So I did it over here, and then you can just blend it maybe with the brush itself, or you can use a sponge. Okay, this is ready. Now you can apply any shade you want in, maybe any glittery shade, but I went with this icy color. I did go ahead with another shade of white or this icy color, but that didn't seem to work, so I went with this Lacquer Beauty's brick shade. I'm not sure in what number it is. Now I removed the tape. Product links are in the description. I'm just going to build it, and now after that I am going to use a very good technique which I have been doing for like months now. I'm just going to blend everything in so that it looks good. Now I'm going to take this brush. It's a very fluffy brush, and I'm going to use this palette Hilary Rhoda one, and I'm going to take the third shade from the first line. I'm just going to blend it like, I cannot explain it where you can see it. This just, like clears all the harsh lines over there, and I always use this technique. That shade is very close to my skin tone, so you can use that. Now I'm going to do my eyes and other makeup off camera. I've already done everything off camera. Now I did a little bit of lower lash line using the same colors which I went on the top. I used this palette again for my highlighting. I did already a bit, but I went ahead with more because why not? Just going to blending it in. So for my lips, I'm going to go with the Fashion Factory lipstick in the number 16. It's a corally shade, more towards the orangey side. Smells amazing, by the way. And this is the final look. Do let me know your thoughts about this look in the comments down below. Also, if you have lashes, go ahead and pop them up. They are going to look amazing. Lenses are also going to look amazing. If you have both, just pop them both. And that's it for today. Bye bye.